Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about my project that I'm trying to do, which is Project Alpha Version 1. So I'm doing it as a version 1 because it's a project that I'm starting out. Here's the thing. I think there was a time when trading was famous and stuff. 2016, 17, 18, along those lines. I think after COVID, it started to disappear, like on my side. So 2017 up until 2019, I used to try to trade, deposit $10 and then I'm gonna maybe win $30. And then after that, I would withdraw 20 and lose the other 10. Which was still a win for me, but I didn't want that. I wanted more. So the more that I wanted was probably try to build that $10 account, because I used to watch these other guys that would trade, which is the FX codes. I used to watch FX codes, Hana Forex, Michael Bamba. I forgot this other guy that Michael Bamba was attending classes from. No, it's not. Also, Amanat. I used to watch those guys, and there's one thing I discovered from there. It's the consistent trading, back testing, the weekly analysis, looking at trades and all those things, following everything. I was writing notes, and I saw that early in trading, I saw that the trading boards, because they were there back then, they set the signals, the trading, what are those things that they would sell, the agents, the system that they would have, you plug in. I think I just forgot what they called those things. I was like, early in my career, like, no, I don't think this thing works like this. And then I tried to watch those people. The more I watched those people, I understood one thing fundamentally. You build your trading system. You build your own trading system around your habits, you as a person. Because if someone is trading at 2 o'clock, 2 p.m., and when your time that you want to trade is around 9 a.m., you can't be able to follow their strategy. And also the way you analyze the markets, it's gonna be different. So I've seen from these guys that you draw trends, you do this, you do that. They wouldn't have indicators and stuff that when it's like this, you buy, when it's like this, you sell. I followed that part of, okay, you learn trends, you learn the market structure, and then you try to manipulate, you try to create a setup around those things that you have learned, which is now it's a lot of things, but I'm going to show you my notes over here. And then that's where I see, but okay, fine, with this thing, I feel like with depositing $10, because I was also a student, with depositing $10, I'm not gonna really make it that much. But I kept hoping, because the FX codes, they did deposit, they started with $10. I think also no, Hannah didn't start with $10. And I was like, I can make this, and I kept on trying, but then I didn't. I'm also gonna show you my trades over here, and I still have my trading history, which shows that I stopped trading in 2020, which is crazy, but I remember 2019. So with that said, I believed, because also you can be a swing trader, you can be a news trader, daily trader, like all those things. So now, the more you are trying to discover, the more you are trying to associate yourself with which trading mindset do you fall into. So I saw that I fall between a day trader and a swing trader, because I can't hold trades for more than a week, but I also can't hold trades within an hour, within a I can hold for a day, because being a short-term trader is like you need to check the system consistently, which is not really practical with doing everything. But then I saw that being a day trader and in between works. As a result, I had a trading plan which says full daily trader, day trader, and the other one says swing trade. So now, after a while, one of my friends on WhatsApp, I think he's also trying to, but he said he never trades, which is fine. He was telling me about this thing. Like, he just posted a status that he's vibe trading. Vibe trading. I know vibe trading. I know vibe coding. What would be vibe trading? But I associated with it, and I was like, let me try it out. We talked, and then I saw, oh, I see. But for me, let me try to develop a project that I'm just going to take everything that I had, my notes, my everything, to ChatGPT, and then cloud, and I'll see what did I miss, what didn't I miss, what should have been improved back then. And I saw that what should have been improved back then was actually the amount, which is trading with $10 is nearly impossible to actually make a consistent profit from it. It's so small. You can't practice risk management. And my risk, I would say 1%, but I would enter 3 trades or 1 setup, but I would execute 3 trades in that setup. For example, I would have 1:1 TP, 1:2 TP, and loss 1:3, which means now my risk is no longer 1%, it's 3. And that's where I was losing the game, because that means with each and every $10 that I'm trading with, if I say I'm gonna lose at least $1, if I say $1 that I should lose, that means I'm losing $3, something like that. That's why my money there would be chowed faster, because when I win, I win. If a trade is going my direction, I'm gonna best believe hit all those 3, or I would hit 1 and 2, and then when 3 is still running, I will be checking, because that would be like more than 24 hours. So yeah, I think let me not talk too much. Let's get on to my system and then try to show you what I was trying to do. We don't need this one that much. We need that. Okay, so let's try to work on this thing. There we go. I don't know if you're gonna hear me that well. So let's try to open this thing. I still don't like it. I think that's fine. Anyways, we're gonna go to close this, close that, close that. So this is my project. So it's going to be V1. So the first phase is the requirements. What were the requirements? And user stories. It was just to be formal and stuff. Frameworks, database, design, and API contracts. So the requirements of this were like my own trading journal, analysis, and risk management platform. So it started because I could not find a tool that matched the way I analyze markets, review trades, and improve my execution. So instead of adapting to my process to existing software, I decided to build one with Java, Springboot, Angular, and SQL Server. As I was working on it this week, I realized, why not just document the entire thing? I'm thinking of turning this into a YouTube series. So today, I'm just going to show you the database of this thing. So the database is sitting on SQL Server. So if I log in, it just logged me out. So let's try that. There we go. So we have so we have the table. So we have backtesting table. So the backtesting table, how is it? It has got a select market ID. Let me show it like this. So market ID, setup name, date range and win rate, profit factor, notes, created ad, which is the same with this one. If you look at it, this was my old Forex system. This was my Forex system, all of it, back in the days. So this one was last edited in 2019, 2018. So if you look carefully into this, I think I need to, for this one, I think I can do the in computer camera. But anyways, this is my trading setup 2020. This is my trading setup 2021. This is, I believe, the updated one. So let's see what was happening. So I used to, this was my profile, by the way. This was my profile. Can't see it. But this was my profile, the Golf 7R. 2020, I'm a scalp swing trader. This is what I was talking about. So scalp trader is a short-term trader. You can do trades within 15 minutes. And then swing trader, you can do trades within a week. It can even be, let's say more than 3 days and up until to a month or years. So the trades I was focusing to the pairs, currency pairs, JPP, JPY, JPP, USD, NAS 100, gold, USDs. And then these ones were volatility indexes that I traded later on, but I don't remember making money here. And then my trade times, you analyze at 8:30 to 9, from 10 to 10:30, 10:15 is a break, from 1 to 1:15, checking trades. Then from 4:15, from 4 to 4:15, you adjust the trades that are still running. And then these are part of my notes, but here's the nice part: psychologically and physically. When feeling sick, don't trade. When psychologically down, don't trade. If I have a lot of things to do, don't trade. Then the monetary performance, my daily stops, if I reach 90 pips overall loss on each trade, you stop trading daily. Each trade is 1% loss from 4 trades a day, which was the flowed way of the system. But we're gonna get to the right part. So if I go to the adjustments, getting back to the game, I'm lazy to read all of it. Time frame, so we're gonna check on daily, weekly for clear market structure, H4 for identifying the key support and resistance levels, which is swing highs and swing lows. And then H1, we're gonna look for clear setups, the trends, the trading patterns. So we have trading patterns that were proved back in the days, which you can use to see where is the market gonna go next if you kind of spot that pattern. From swing trades, we buy and sell, you get. And then in M15, which is that 15-minute time frame, we manage a trade, the candlestick patterns, we can spot them there. There's a lot of candlestick patterns. We're gonna get to them. I don't want this video to be long. So the economic calendar, I used to read news here on the economic calendar, where the news are, what are the current news. I used to even filter this with three stars so that I can only look at the news that are gonna create an impact. Not that others don't create impact. For example, the Philadelphia, which is the US at 2:30, has created impact here because it's 3 stars. Anyways, technical analysis. I would do my technical analysis on TradingView, which is where I would spot my trades, do my analysis, and all those stuff. So I would do them here. Where is that? I don't want to get into that, but maybe next time. So MetaTrader, Notion, which is Notion. This is where my notes are. Excel for, I never did that. Snipping tool for screenshots and all those things. Fundamental news, which is trading, which is news and stuff. So we would only trade during news. GDP, NFP, FOMC, interest rates, retail sales, unemployment change, which is Canadian news, and all those things were hints. I'm not going to get into details. So the daily analysis of my daily routine, we already read it. We already read that. Daily routine for trading, the preparation, check news, and all those things. When taking a trade, you look at these, you tick them, and then if they all tick, you can take a trade, all those things. When defining a trend, you check the higher highs, higher lows, which is an uptrend. If it's like that, you put a support or resistance. Same with the swing lows, it's lower lows and lower highs, all those things with the downtrend or consolidation. You don't trade consolidation unless you want to. Patterns to trade, we have a rising and falling wedge, we have a flat top, we have a flat top, bottom triangle, but double bottom and double top. Let me show you these patterns on Google so you can see that I'm not crazy. These are the patterns that I would trade back in the days. These are the patterns. So this is a double top, head and shoulder, rising wedge, double bottom, inverse shoulder, all those things. So these were the setups, and this is how you would trade them. And you see things like this, all those things. And then we're gonna get to entries on support. Check pattern formation. The pattern formation, you'll check candlesticks. How are the candlesticks? Candlesticks pattern. You have a cheat sheet for this thing, so that you know if there's a candle like this, you know what to do. So the famous candles that I would use on my system were, I didn't mention them, but I think there is where they are mentioned. And then if there's a confluence to end, you check your confluence and all those things. The exit, where do you exit? Checklist, where do you, you check. If everything is met, you end, or you leave, you wait, all those things. There's a lot. This is the candlestick pattern. Bullish engulfing, piercing line, bullish hammer, bearish hammer, hanging man, morning star, evening star, all those things. So we'll check those things, all of them. And then the stop loss, take profit, and then it's money management and stuff, trading rules, all those things. So I took this, put it on ChatGPT, and I found a lot that I was actually trying to get. So you can look into this. still freezing this thing. I don't know why it's freezing. So if you can look into this, this is how chat has been. See, now I was told to only trade 3 patterns, and if the patterns are there, you can see, like I was told to trade only 3 currency pairs, because trying to analyze a lot of currencies and trying to get into the minds, like trying to understand how one currency behaves is a lot. So I'm trying to build the system that can actually capture that. So this is also the markets, which is the table, and these are settings. The settings whereby you can see the starting balance, the pairs, and all those things. Trading images, this is where we keep the images of trades. Trading plans, this is where there's plans. Trading or trades, this is where we see market ID, direction, entry, all those things. Weekly analysis, this is the weekly analysis of what we do on Sundays. Weekly reviews, we review this thing on Sunday or Saturday. So yeah, I think I did show this kind of setup before. How is it gonna be? Let me see if I still do have the picture of it. So this is the picture. This is how it's gonna be when it's live. So I wanted something that is gonna tell me no setups currently, relax, which is you don't have a trade. Next alert, it's gonna be GBP JPY at 196. You can even see the times there, how many trades, which markets are ready, all of those things, the weekly trades. That's what I'm trying to do. It's a bit interesting, but hopefully I'm gonna try and work on it.
It's nice.
Nah, it's not nice. Don't lie, my man, don't lie. Okay, so let's log into MySQL and access our databases this side. So this is our server, and go to database and select the database, which is Project Alpha, and tables. So the tables start with backtesting. So backtesting has got this design. If you want to check the design of the table, the ID, market ID, all this thing, setup name, date range, date, and win rate, profit factor, nodes created it. This is important for backtesting. And then this is the market table, and the market table is like this. All those are vouchers because we need to have words on them. And then we have settings. These are settings for my overall account: starting balance, risk, preferred broker, time zone, trading sessions, and all those things. And then this is trading image, where we take images of our trades. And then the trade plan, what's the plan, direction, entry, stop loss, all those things, the risk, the position sizes, it all follows the trading plan. And then the trades, I try to access. So the trade is like this, it design. Oh, this thing is so slow. Can you see why I need to change PCs? 96, 95. That's not good. I just opened few applications that time. Shit. That's not good. Let's close. Let's close this one. For now, we are trying to edit, so we're gonna close it for now. Go back. Let's see how is it performing. 85, at least 90, 70, that's better. And then we're gonna try and it's freezing. And there we go. So trade, it's like that. General complete source. This is after we take a trade, the stop loss, our targets and stuff. And then this is the weekly analysis, whereby we want to analyze now how did we do it. H4, H1, support and resistance, weekly reviews. And then this is whereby we review every Sunday. We do a review, we do a review, weekly analysis, review, weekly analysis, review, backtesting, weekly analysis. That's how we do it. Probably we can spend 2 or 3 hours on that. But the system, I wanted to also do that kind of work for me. Also review, also backtest, check trades, where is my trend according to my rules, so we can close this thing because it's consuming time, consuming our memory. That's fine. Now we are running fine. So now this is the trading setups that I had. So this is the project. In the project, it's standing like this. Still in the first phases, and then this is the setup. So this, why now? Why? This is the old notes in setups. There's something called notes and stuff. So this was the trading journal for 2020. I had this. I traded these pairs and these ones. I was gonna try these. Gonna be trying them. And then this is the daily weeks. This is my time frame, the tools, fundamentals, daily routine. So the trading dashboard I'm doing needs to follow this and patterns, and then check this before it can enter, which is entries. These are exits. It exits on these. The system is going to do it automatically, and then it's going to check these before it can enter a trade. If these correlate at least 3, it takes the trade. And then we check the stop loss and all those things, money management, trade management, pip goals, process goals, when and how to adjust, all these things. And then this is the 20 my trading plan. Where's the other one? This is 2021. So for 2021 we have this. We have reduced the pairs. If you notice, we are left with these ones. And this is the news. This is the daily routine preparation. Still the same preparation. And this is why I was surprised. Where am I failing exactly? Because these things still look the same and all those things. You see the confluence still kind of the same, but I just tweaked some of the things, reduced the amounts. The currency pairs also increased the balance and all those things. But I never deposited $100, which I wanted to try, but I'm gonna try with this one. If account reaches 500, withdraw 300, trade with 200. If the monthly return was targeting 1.2, which is the wrong way of thinking about this thing. These are my lot sizes, and yeah. So this was this thing. And then the forecasting, when I was forecasting, this is the forecasting template. I got it from this guy. got it from this guy. From Falcon. This is the guy I got it from Falcon FX. I used to watch him when I was still trading. I used to watch him. He has got good material. I also used to watch the FX codes. These are the FX codes. You know, I used to watch this also. And this is the lady I Malay watch. Anna FX. I used to watch her a lot back in the days. And then I used to watch Adam Cool. I used to watch him a lot. And I used to watch Naveen Prithiani. I don't know if I spell it right. Naveen Prithiani. I think Eben Forex, yeah. It's him, Naveen. I used to watch him. When did he upload the last one? 3 days ago. So for me, that's gonna be it. I need to do a haircut. What the fuck is this? But I'm gonna cut my hair soon. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna try to do, and I'll probably next week, Thursday, I'm gonna try and do another video whereby I'm showing now the back end when I'm developing the back end. There's parts whereby I did develop, but I'm just gonna show the flow, and maybe some days I'm gonna show exactly when I'm trying to develop, writing the repositories, writing the service layers, writing the controllers, connecting the back end to my database, and exposing my APIs on Postman and the front end, because I also do have the front end. That's where I get that picture from. So from me to you, we're gonna meet on Sunday. This is for Thursday vlog. It's Wednesday today. Preparing for tomorrow's vlog, which I don't want to say I'm planning to post on Thursday and Friday and Sunday, but if it happens, that would be a good thing. So yeah, let's cut it for now. Sharp.